We'll guide you through how to create a Google Sheets shortcut on your desktop. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Google Sheets. For that, you can click on the boxes in front of your profile picture. There, scroll down to locate the Google Sheets icon and press on it. Once the page loads, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. From the drop-down, find and locate the Cast, Save, and Share menu, and then click Create Shortcut. A pop-up will appear asking you to name the shortcut. You can leave it as Google Sheets or rename it as you prefer. Then click Create. Now go to your desktop and you'll see the Google Sheets shortcut has been added. You can double-click it to open Google Sheets instantly without going through the browser. If you want quick access, you can also drag the shortcut to your taskbar or pin it to the Start menu. That's it! You've successfully created a Google Sheets shortcut on your desktop. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tips. Thanks for watching.